This really is game of the year. Oh, he does a little cat stretch! This is the best game ever. Hey.
Later.
Yes! Yes! I can't get over this. I can't. This is what makes or breaks a game. This is what makes a game good. It's the little things. Honestly, it's the little things. Dude, actually, you know what? I can see this being some kind of like animated wallpaper. Do you guys know what I mean? Like, I could see this zooming in and out on the cat as like an animated wallpaper. That would be so fucking cute. Ah, man. Anyway. Wake up! We gotta go! Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up! You can jump on the piano from here? Hey. They jump up here. There's gotta be another way. Someone make an animated wallpaper like this for Alban. I would make that my waiting screen in a fucking heartbeat. That would be so cute. Minna! Mata ne.